unboxing. Hi guys and welcome back. Today I am going to unpack my new purchase at Hermès. I haven't really shown my last purchases because I wasn't sure if it's maybe insensitive in times like this, but when I talked about this on my Instagram, I got so many responses from people who were like, oh my god, we want to see, we love unboxings, so many positive responses. And now I'm going back to unpacking and showing you what I got. I really hope you're gonna enjoy it. So let me get the bag. Okay, before we start, you have to write in the comments what you think I got. You can at least guess the color. You know, I invest in my own brand, in stocks and in Hermès. That's like a no-brainer. I'm gonna show you my latest investment in this beautiful box. So, I actually went, oh my god. I actually went with Tamara to Hermès. It felt like we were in a movie, like everything that happened during the appointment, because you know France is going to another lockdown and I had this idea to go and take advantage of the last day of shopping. So we got a last minute appointment and it was so busy. It's so busy in that Hermès store, it's beyond. Well, good for them, but we were like waiting and waiting and waiting, and then our sales associate came. I told her what I wanted because I knew exactly what I want. The issue is though, you never know what you're gonna get. So you have to be really specific and have the knowledge of the leather you want to get, the size you want to get, the kind of bag you want to get, and the color. So before I went, I did a little bit of research of the colorways that I really like. You know, I'm kind of collecting those bags now. I mean, of course I also use them, but I wanted a color that fits perfectly to my other colors. So I told her. She was already looking at me like, it's not gonna happen because they're so busy. It's the last day, they have so many customers, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, well, okay, fine. And then Tamara said what she wanted, and then the sales associate left, and we waited and waited and waited. And like after 30 minutes, she came back with 2 boxes, and one of them was mine. And you have to know, like the moment they come back with the box and you don't know what's inside, and you're just there like, what is it gonna be? It's always such a like emotional moment. And I was so happy when I saw mine because, you know, I wanted a size 30 because I have a few bags with a 25 size. I just got a 35, so I went for the middle size. Color-wise, I wanted a color that fits perfectly to what I already have. And then she unpacked, and it was pretty much in slow motion, like I am doing right now. It's always such an exciting, tense moment. And here it is. If you haven't left a comment yet, feel free to guess the color. All right, guys, are you ready? Oh my god, so beautiful. Let's undress this beauty. Et voila. I got a Birkin. The color is called Gris Pearl. I hope Perle. I hope I pronounce it right. It's pretty much pearl gray. And it's so beautiful. Are you kidding me? It's so incredibly stunning. I picked a 30 because it's the perfect size to fit in books, you know, your wallet, your lipstick, everything that needs to go in a bag. I picked gold hardware because I have a lot of silver hardware. My favorite is brushed silver, but since the bag is already gray, I don't want silver hardware. So stunning. And I went for Togo because, I don't know, I love Togo leather. I think it's like the safest choice you can make. So beautiful. Beauty. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm just ready to go out. Alright, so here she is. Voila. Like such an incredible color. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so beautiful.
Wow. Wow.
The MS Happy Dance. Guys, it's so beautiful. This might be my new like top favorite bag. I love it so much. I just hope we can go out and I can wear this beauty. I love the Togo because I think it keeps the most beautiful shape over the years. Yeah, like I said, it fits so much. I will show you the details. Jürgen, can you show the details, please? And we have this. I just removed the plastic here.
The protection.
The protection. Exactly. This is what it looks like inside. Here's the log. I don't know, like I don't really show my logs. I just leave them inside. Some people like to put it here. I don't know, I rather hide my log. I don't know, I always feel like the log looks awkward. And also I don't want it to drag the front. So I just leave it inside. It's easier. It's such a special color because it's gray. It also has a hue of baby blue. Ah, it's so beautiful. Are you kidding me? Cannot believe how beautiful it is. Just me getting my coffee. I always, when I buy something, I always picture the situation where I will use it. So, you know, with my green bag, I was always like, oh, I'm gonna wear this in LA. I'm gonna wear this in LA. This one I actually pictured in Paris in spring. Hopefully, seems so far away, but you know, I'm just going to my meeting and my coffee, which is like very far away. How are you liking this color? Okay, here you see my collection of Birkins. We have this one that you remember, the black one, the yellow one that I showed on my YouTube, and we have the new baby Birkin, and I think it fits perfectly. What do you think? I hope you like this quick unboxing. I don't know if I should do those more often in the future. Let me know if you enjoy those or if you rather enjoy me talking about more serious stuff. And I hope to see you again soon. Bye!